Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night to everyone who watch this video. My name is Muhammad Bahtiar from class 334A01 and my student number is 33220094. And today I'm going on a debate with the topic of banning all further research on gene alteration, and I'm going to take the government side. Before we start the debate, we must first know what is gene alteration. Gene alteration is a group of technologies that give scientists the ability to change an organism's DNA. These technologies allow genetic material to be added, removed, or even altered at particular location in the genome. Gene alteration raises significant concern about the potential risks and ethical consideration associated with manipulating the fundamental building blocks of life. The field of genetic modification, particularly when applied to humans, present a myriad of complex issues that warrant careful consideration and also restraint. One of the foremost concerns is the potential for unintended consequences and unforeseen risks associated with gene alteration. Genetic manipulation involves altering the DNA sequence, which govern the development and functioning of organism. Even minor changes to genes could have cascading effect on biological processes that are not fully understood. This uncertainty raises serious questions about the safety and long-term implication of genetic modification. Alteration could introduce unintended mutation or disrupt crucial biological pathways, potentially leading to harmful outcomes for individuals and future generations. The risks associated with genetic alteration, particularly in the context of gene editing or gene therapy, include the potential for cancer and the development of new diseases. This risk stems from various factors, such as genome instability caused by genetic modification, which can lead to increased mutation rates and contribute to cancer formation. Additionally, genetic alteration may inadvertently activate oncogenes, which are genes that promote uncontrolled cell growth or disrupt tumor suppressor genes, which normally inhibit tumor development. In genetic alteration, there are also something called off-target effect, where genetic modification occurs at unintended location in the genome, pose another significant risk by potentially disrupting normal gene function and triggering adverse health outcomes. Moreover, the introduction of foreign genetic material during gene therapy can elicit immune responses that may lead to inflammation or other immune-related complications, contributing to the development of diseases. Moreover, gene alteration research poses ethical dilemmas that strike at the core of our values and beliefs. Manipulating genes to enhance desirable traits or eliminate undesirable ones raises profound questions about autonomy, consent, and equality. Who decides which traits are desirable or undesirable? Would genetic enhancement exacerbate existing social inequalities or lead to discriminatory practices based on genetic profiles? These ethical concerns are particularly prominent when considering the potential application of gene alteration in humans, where the consequences could extend beyond individual well-being to societal structures and norms. Another ethical consideration revolves around the notion of playing God or fundamentally altering the human genome. By intervening in the genetic makeup of individuals, we tread into territory that challenges traditional notions of human society and identity. The ability to modify genes raises philosophical questions about what it means to be a human and the limits of human intervention in the natural order. Such intervention could have profound implications for our understanding of human diversity, individual autonomy, and intrinsic values of life itself. Given these uncertainties and complexities, the call for a ban on further research in gene alteration stems from legitimate concerns about the potential risks, ethical dilemmas, and societal implications associated with manipulating the genetic blueprints of life. By advocating for caution and restraint in this field, we promote a more thoughtful and deliberate approach to genetic technology, one that prioritizes human well-being, ethical consideration, and the preservation of the integrity of the natural world. And the summary from the government side is, the reason for banning further gene alteration research emphasizes significant concern regarding potential risks and ethical consideration. We highlight the unpredictability of genetic modification, which could lead to unintended consequences and unforeseen risks due to our incomplete understanding of genetic interaction. Additionally, ethical dilemmas arise concerning autonomy, consent, and societal equality, as genetic alteration could exacerbate social inequalities or introduce discriminatory practices based on genetic profiles. There's also a fundamental ethical concern about altering the human genome, raising questions about human identity and the limits of intervention in nature. And with that, we conclude our debate. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.